Hey, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here with special guest Bruno Massel.
How you doing, Justin?
Good, how are you? And we wanted to showcase one of Bruno's favorite products, which is the BLACKFIRE Instant Detailer. Now, this is a product that I think everybody should have.
I really do. You know, for me, there's a definite trend. It is what works with my race car. It's for me, it has to be easy and work well. And you know, I keep coming back to this is where I'm calling up at Autogeek saying, hey, can I get more instant detailer? And there's a reason. You know, with our racing program, you want the car to look good on cameras, look good on the Fox broadcast, and you look good in images. So right before we go up, we're sitting oftentimes in pit areas where you've got a dust debris going around. So in minutes, you can have one of the crew guys hit the car, wipe it down, and it looks like you just washed and waxed the car. And that's what it's all about, quick and easy. I mean, I was telling you earlier, it's like if you're gonna go on a hot date with a girl for the first time, you hit the cologne, you hit this with the car, and you're good to go.
That's
you know
right.
what I mean?
Yeah, winning combo right there. And this is something that I found as, you know, a professional detailer that consumers, my customers, they really love it. You know, some of them that may show off their cars at a car show, if they get people that go around and touch their vehicle with their pesky fingerprints, this is something that's safe and effective for them to be able to, of course, spray the towel and then wipe those fingerprints away. Or like to what you said, before you're going out on the weekend, to be able to just do a quick wipe down on the vehicle and give you that instant detailer-like finish where you get the gloss and everything on point with complementing your paint finish.
Yeah, quick and easy is the way to go, and this does a great job of getting it done.
So for more information about any of Bruno's favorites, or of course BLACKFIRE Instant Detailer, visit autogeek.com.